Now in this segment you will study the sex determination. This topic for class 12th biology. Now see what is sex determination. So what is sex determination? Now see here, the method by which distinction between male and female is established in an organism under genetic control, that is sex determination. And the sex chromosomes are responsible for determination of separate sexes in male and female. So they are called chromosomes. It is a biological system that determines the development of the sexual characteristic of an organism. Traditionally, the symbols are used for male and female. The symbol for male and the symbol is used for female. So these are the symbols used to denote the male and female. Then the types of chromosomal sex determinations. So see here, the first is X by type sex determination, that is also found in human. Since the female are having autosomes and sex chromosomes, so in female they are having both similar chromosomes, those are X, but in male they are having two type of chromosomes, X and Y. So during fertilization, if the sperm containing X fertilize the egg, then the combination is XX type, and they develop into female. See here, this is XX type and they develop into female, while the sperm containing Y, when they fuse it with the egg, they develop into male. See here, this is a mechanism of sex determination. Female, they are having only one type of chromosome, but male they are having two type, X and Y. And gametes are there, these two gametes here, but in female both the gametes are similar, but in male the gametes are dissimilar. If sperm containing Y this fertilizes the ovum, then it develops into male, and if chromosome containing X fertilize the ovum, this one, and they develop into female. See here, so this is the mechanism of sex determination in human. Now see, homogametic and heterogametic conditions means homogamity or heterogamity. See here, in human the female is called homogametic because they are having sex chromosomes, both are similar, X type, but in male they are producing two type of gametes having chromosomes X and Y. So male are producing two type of gametes, that's why they are called heterogametic, but female they are having similar, all the chromosomes they are having X, that's why they are called homogametic. Now so see here, 50% gametes produced by male and female. 50% are having one type of gamete and 50% having two type of gametes. So their sex ratio should be 1:1. Now see the sex determination in various organisms. So different mechanisms they follow for the determination of the sex. Like in insects, the female has genotype XX and the male have XO type. Drosophila, female, both are similar. In male, both are different. In birds and fish and butterflies, the female heterogamety is seen, but male are homogamy, having both the chromosomes similar. In human, female are homogamy and male are heterogamy. So this is the mechanism in different organisms of sex determination. Now see mechanism in other organisms also, like XO type mechanism. Here it is found in insects. Male, they have only one X chromosome, so they are combination having XO type, and the female they are having XX type. And Drosophila, like in human, the female having XX combination and the male they are having XY for male. So this is the mechanism of different organism to determine the sex, XO type and XY type. See here in Drosophila, the sex determination in Drosophila, ratio of X chromosome to the set of autosomes play a key role in the sex determination. And the other type is also here, see ZW type sex determination. It is mostly found in birds and butterflies and fishes also. The genotype of the female is referred to as ZW and the male is having WW type combination of chromosomes. In this system, the male is homogamitic because they are producing similar type of gametes, but female they are heterogamitic, they are producing two type of gametes, Z and W. And other is XX or XY type. It is found in human and other mammals. So if the chromosome containing X fertilize to the ovum, it develops into female, and if Y containing sperm containing Y chromosome, if fertilize the ovum, it develops into male. Some organisms depend on the environmental factors such as temperature for determination of the sex. An example is given, American alligator. The temperature decided the sex of the organism. Now here the sex chromosomes in different organisms. So types, see here, male heterogamety and female heterogamety is here. Male heterogamety is found in human also. They produce two type of gametes. See here, this is XY and here XO. This is male heterogamety because they are producing two type of gametes. And see here, ZW type or ZO type here the female are producing two type of gametes. Here see, so here ZW type of gametes are produced by female and ZO type gametes are produced by female. So they are showing female heterogamety. So see here, male heterogamety and female heterogamety. You can see male heterogamety in man, other mammals, Drosophila, and female heterogamety mostly in birds. You can see. Now the sex determination in honeybee. So in honeybee, this is different type of sex determination, in which see here, diploid females, if the egg is fertilized, then the fertilized egg develop into female, and if the egg is not fertilized, so unfertilized eggs, they are haploid, they develop into male. But imperfect, they worker bee and queen. Sexes are determined by the fertilization and non-fertilization of the eggs. So this is very important. If the egg is fertilized, then they develop into female, and if they are not fertilized, they develop into male. Here this is a mechanism of sex determination. XO type, see here, male XO are male and XX type, they are female. So the sperms and ovum, these are the ovums and these are the sperms. So see here, if the sperm containing eggs fertilizes the ovum, they develop into female. If XO type, if not containing other X chromosome, they develop into male. See here, this is a mechanism of XO type that is found in grasshopper. In birds, this is ZW type sex determination. Here female heterogamety is found. So female, they are producing two type of gametes, ovum containing Z and W, but male, they are only producing, they are having the sex chromosome only Z type. So see here, this is the female gametes, and when they fertilized, if Z gamete combined with Z, then they develop into male. If Z fertilized with the W, then they develop into female. So here is a female heterogamety. Female produce two type of gametes, 50% containing W and 50% containing Z. But male, they are containing only Z gametes, containing only Z chromosome. So this is female heterogamety that is found in birds.